challenges of creating IP and monetizing IP in the animation and gaming sector. So we do have a very, very interesting panel here. I have Benjamin Grubbs, who's the Regional Director, Turner Entertainment Interactive Media. We have Michael Baas, who's the Managing Partner of Run Serious Games from the Netherlands. Abhijit from Sinqua Games. Nishit from Crayon Pictures. Sushavan Banerjee from CFSI. Mark Rudolph is here from, is Director India Operations from Greater Zurich area. One of the first things that basically, a lot of people and friends have always been curious about is where is really the Indian animation and gaming industry headed and what's really going on. We come to Frames, talk about, yes, there's potential, yes, things are moving, things are looking up. It's been a really tough last year on the industry, but I think moving on, I think there's a lot of action that's happening in this sphere. Just want to put things quickly in perspective from the animation space. Obviously, we now have a whole bunch of broadcasters. We have Nickelodeon, Disney, Cartoon Network, all have been here close to 10 years in the market. Essentially starting out first with a lot of foreign content, then first being dubbed into Hindi, and then eventually now they're all looking at producing local content.
I guess there are 3 or 4 areas that I feel that Indian companies face challenges in terms of creating new IP. And I like to maybe just simplify them. There are others, but one of them firstly is creating a sustainable IP business in India. And that's really tough because as Munjal mentioned, the moment you sort of start creating new IP, the second challenge that I sort of wanted to talk about is that, of course, this is an advantage for, some of us folks in mobile gaming because the production cycles are very short. We can sort of turn on a dime. And, that's sort of the first challenge I wanted to speak to. The other thing is sort of, I guess, the lack of, understanding and the value for, new IP. This is particularly hard in India.
I do know quite a lot about serious gaming. Serious gaming is using traditional game techniques and traditional game principles for another purpose than only entertainment. The basic principles of project management, and the storyline is more or less something like this. Project manager based in the US in a big company called Spectre Install. And Spectre Install is building a very large shark aquarium in Shanghai.
I think one of the things is that I think traditionally India has been an outsourcing country. So I think the culture and the pipelines and the understanding of animation to most of the Indian people is a pipeline which is serving somebody rather than serving an IP. So I think that was something that we really had to work hard upon.
The Children's Film Society India is an autonomous body under the Government of India Information Broadcasting Ministry. And I'm sure it's the only one of its kind which uses government money to produce films. The relevance of an organization like the Children's Film Society of India is even more because the children are really growing up on all kinds of content, not necessarily meant for them. And through the television, through the internet, and through so many other sources, our children are getting exposed to so much that we even cannot control. Therefore, I think Children's Film Society India has the social mandate and the social responsibility of producing the right kind of content for children. And also, the bigger challenge is to take them to where it belongs, to take them to the children.